there, my amazing little artists. Welcome back to your favorite channel, ZooniToons. I'm so happy you're here because today's drawing is full of fun, friendship, and a lot of love. So, grab your colors, sharpen those pencils, and get ready to ride along. Because guess what? Today we're drawing Donald Duck and Daisy Duck riding a twin cycle together. Yes, one cycle, 2 seats, and tons of happiness. Now let's draw Daisy Duck sitting right behind him. She has both hands resting gently on Donald's shoulders and is looking at him with the sweetest smile ever. Her bow is fluttering in the breeze, and she looks so cheerful and full of love. Aren't they looking adorable already? Now it's time to draw the twin bicycle. Two seats, 2 sets of petals, and 1 long frame. Don't forget the wheels, nice and round. Let's add some cute hearts and flowers on the basket in the front, maybe even a tiny bell. First, I'm drawing Donald Duck in the front seat. He's holding the handlebars tightly with that confident Donald smile. He's focused but happy, enjoying the wind on his feathers and pedaling away. Time to color. And Daisy, of course, wears her beautiful pink dress with purple shoes and her matching hair bow. Donald gets his classic blue sailor shirt with the red bow tie. Neat and bright. Let's color the bicycle in bright red and add a little shine to the metal parts. Now it looks like it's zooming through Toontown. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's draw Goofy now. His tall green hat, orange shirt, blue pants, and those giant shoes. Look who's standing nearby with a big wide grin. It's Goofy. His eyes are sparkling with joy and his heart is full of friendship. Can you feel the love? He's holding a big foam finger, waving it around and shouting, "Woohoo! Go Donald, go Daisy! You two are riding like a dream." Goofy is clapping, laughing, and even trying to run after them. But oops, he trips on his shoelace and lands in a bush. Goofy as always. But he jumps up and smiles, full of love for his best pals. Donald and Daisy are enjoying a peaceful ride together, while Goofy watches with pride. This is what true friendship looks like. Fun, support, and lots of love. So there we go. Our beautiful drawing is complete. We've drawn Donald, Daisy, their twin cycle, and silly Goofy full of love. Before we go, tell me, who would you take on a twin cycle ride? And don't forget, like this video if you had fun drawing with me. Subscribe to ZooniToons for more adorable cartoons, fun characters, and exciting coloring adventures every week. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of our new episodes. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and always ride with love. Bye-bye, little artists. See you soon.